Originating in the heart of Denmark, where design meets innovation, a company began crafting outdoor products that are revolutionizing backyard experiences worldwide. This is Cozze, the premier manufacturer of affordable outdoor products, including pizza ovens, planchas, grills, and outdoor kitchens. At Cozze, we focus on bringing new possibilities to you. Our products are designed in Denmark with superior quality to provide an amazing cooking experience in every backyard or balcony. We call it Mix and Match Your Dream. Why? Because we believe that you should be the designer of your outdoor cooking space. Imagine starting with our spacious outdoor kitchens as your base. On top of that, choose the desired cooking setup by selecting from our grill, pizza oven, or plancha models, or mix them. With Cozze, you have the freedom to mix and match our products to fit your dream. Let your inner outdoor chef come to life with Cozze, where you become the designer. The world loves Cozze, and the brand is represented in over 30 countries in just 2 years. The feedback from consumers has been astounding. We want to be known as the fun and affordable outdoor cooking brand, and we work relentlessly to build concepts that set us far apart from the competition. At the end of the day, Cozze is more than just great outdoor products. It's all about creating moments of joy and togetherness. It's about gathering with your family, friends, and loved ones, savoring delicious meals under the open sky, and creating memories that last a lifetime. Welcome to the world of Cozze, and welcome to the Cozze family.